how to make it show what you're playing on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how you can make it and show what you are playing on Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if sometimes you could be playing a particular game, you want that to show up on your Discord profile that you're playing a certain game when somebody else checks your profile. Now to enable this option also depends upon the game that you're playing and also depends upon the connection. Now for this, first of all, you can just try opening up your Discord application here. Come to the profile page from the bottom right of the screen, and then you can just tap on this little gear icon that you would be able to find here. And once you go to gear icon here, you should be able to set different sort of settings as you would be able to find here. So under it, you can set different settings. First of all, you can just try to go under connections and try to add a connection to that particular game if you're trying to show that, or you can also choose to show it manually if you just go to the add status option here, and you can just type in over here playing. Let's say if you're playing Roblox, type in playing Roblox to update them manually if it doesn't recognize automatically. And this way you'll be able to make it show what you are playing on Discord. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.